Hello everyone, Namaste. A couple of weeks back, I started a channel which is called the Fit Mom Lab on Instagram and Facebook. The idea was very simple. I wanted to share my healthy living with you guys. How I try and stay healthy and fit in my everyday life by following small, simple habits. And how I've been trying to get on my fitness journey after delivering my baby 1.5 years back. But recently, I started realizing that this channel needs to do another very important thing. So I started my career in health and wellness industry almost a decade back. It was 2012 when I started taking my own dance and workout classes. Early 2013, I became a certified fitness instructor, and then I started taking my own Zumba classes. 2016, I got my certification in nutrition as well, and I started studying nutrition. And a year and a half back, I started my Habit Fit. That has been the most exciting part of my journey because I have never learned enough. I've been only researching and studying and experimenting and discussing about health and wellness and how to get it right and what's wrong and all of that. So, all through my journey, there is one thing which has been common, and that's the realization that this industry overall is very unfair to some extent. That's because people who are healthy or they are fit, they are getting fitter every day, of course. But what about the rest of us? We don't even know where to start, what to do, what is right, what is wrong. For example, if I tell you to think about getting healthy or getting fit, what is that thing that will come to your mind instantly? Mostly it would be something to do with workout, joining a gym or a fitness center. Or if you have a medical condition, or if you want to really lose weight fast, then you would start thinking about joining a dietitian or a nutritionist program, right? But the point is that health and wellness is a lot more than just these terms. Calories, weight loss, it's just a small part of becoming healthy and fit. If you cannot lift up your child for more than a few minutes, if you cannot climb 3 stairs without huffing and puffing, if you cannot stand instantly after sitting on the ground, if you are not able to do your household chores easily, if you are not able to sit and work on your laptop the whole day without doing discomfort and here and pain, all of that, how do you expect yourself to be said healthy? You are not healthy, you are not fit. How much so ever you work out or how much so ever diet plans you can take, this is not becoming healthy. So health and wellness comes into picture only when you can confidently say that I am aging healthy. Today at 25, we say that you start aging. And after that, you see every day we are degrading our health. So we need to stay strong as we age, right? And that is what is meaning of health and fitness. So there's just a lot more than whatever I'm talking in health and fitness. And there are so many more misconceptions around the whole idea of staying fit and becoming healthy. So what I want to really do through this the Fit Mom Lab channel that I created recently is to try and break these misconceptions one at a time. What I want to do is try and bring out science in front of you guys, bring out facts and logics in front of you guys so that you can yourself see what is right and what is wrong. You can make your own decisions. You would know what is right. You would not blindly follow the herd. That's what I want to do. And please try and follow my channel so that you can stay healthy. You would know more about what I'm talking, and I'll keep posting on it regularly, I promise. So the link for the channel is going to be right below this, in the description. And if you have any comments for me, if you have any suggestions, what you want to listen to and all of that, please do let me know. I would be really happy to help you guys in any way. The kind of aim that I've put for myself and for this channel, it will come true only if you guys support me in it. Thank you so much.